Hey everyone, I'm AJ, and welcome to Level Up Gentlemen. Today, we're diving into how to sit like a pro in office meetings. Your posture speaks before you do, so let's make sure it says the right thing. Let's get started. Before you speak, your body already said everything. In an office meeting, your posture is silently broadcasting your confidence, or the lack of it. Slouching? You look unsure. Hiding your hands? That says you might be hiding something. But what if you could sit in a way that instantly commands respect, without saying a single word? Let's break down how to sit like a pro in meetings, step by step. In every meeting, there's always someone who's invisible. Not because of their ideas, but because of how they present themselves. And more often than not, posture is the reason. According to body language experts, 55% of communication is nonverbal. That means the way you sit, move, and place your hands matters even more than what you say. If you look nervous, distracted, or closed off, people start tuning you out, even before you open your mouth. Rule number 1, align your back and shoulders. Sit tall, but stay relaxed. Don't look like a robot, just straighten your spine naturally. Rest your back gently against the chair, open your chest slightly, and let your shoulders fall into a neutral position. This one move does two things. It tells your brain that you're in control, and it signals confidence to everyone watching you. Small change, massive impact. Next, your hands. Keep them visible. Hiding your hands under the table, folding your arms, or fidgeting sends all the wrong signals. But placing your hands gently on the table, maybe resting on a notebook or holding a pen, gives off a calm, honest, and engaged vibe. It's a trick many leaders use subconsciously. And now, so can you. Your lower body matters too. Keep your feet flat on the floor. Don't cross your legs high or swing your feet. It looks nervous and unsettled. When both feet are grounded, your whole body follows. You appear balanced, physically and mentally, and it reduces tension, helping you stay still during long discussions. Let's talk eye contact and stillness. Fidgeting breaks trust. Avoid rapid blinking or darting your eyes around. Instead, hold calm eye contact with the speaker, blink naturally, and stay physically composed. The stiller you are, the more powerful your words become when you speak. Stillness. Strength. Compare both versions of yourself. One looks unsure and distracted, the other, calm, confident, and credible. Posture is performance. Every meeting seat is a stage, and now you know exactly how to own it. If this helped you, imagine how much better your entire professional presence can get. Sit smart, move better, and speak with presence. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned, because we're just getting started.